Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and review a shovel that I picked up at Harbor Freight for $10. That's right, a nice little shovel for $10 at Harbor Freight. Now I've been using this shovel for a couple of months, since October 2017 to March 2018 today. And it's been pretty good, I used it at work Monday through Saturday, and it does pretty good. I like how it has this point, so you can actually dig with it and use it as a shovel also. So let's go ahead and test it out here. It's pretty good. It's pretty good at digging, like you see there, and then to put dirt back in there. Pretty good. It does pretty good. I like it. For $10, you can't get better than this, man. You go to Home Depot, you're gonna find a shovel close to this for like $30. You know, I first bought one for $30 and I lost it. Then I said, oh man, I don't want to spend $30 again. So I picked this up for $10. It's nice. It's nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos on more tools, and I'll see you soon in one of my videos.